at BeautyForeverHair. If you've been rocking with me, you know I've been rocking with them for a very long time. If you look in the description box, I put a direct link to where you can go check out this wig from Beauty Forever, as well as links to all their social medias. And you'll see that subscribe button down there. Be sure to click it as I upload almost daily. So like I said, I've been wearing and purchasing BeautyForeverHair forever because it's always been beautiful. Okay, I thought that was kind of funny, but maybe not. So I can 1000% vouch for Beauty Forever. Y'all know that that's how I do human hair on this channel. I have to try a company like 3, 4, 5 times. And if it's good quality hair, easy hair, beautiful hair, I'll add it into my rotation. But if it's trash, I tell you that, we never hear from them again. Now, all I've done is take this wig out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do everything on camera with my friends. So the wig comes in this cute little iridescent bag that is perfect for storage. You can, I have so many of these at these points, and none of them are for my wigs. It's all types of stuff. One has makeup brushes, like it's all types of stuff. So I do love that little storage case with their name on it. The wig itself also comes in a silk sack. That's very pretty with their branding on it. I know they always include some extras, so let's open this up and see what else is in here besides the wig. Okay, we also have the same like basic extras that you are gonna get now. A Beauty Forever edge band, some HD wig caps, and some press-on nails, which, you know, that's cute, but y'all don't care about that. Y'all care about this wig. Okay, so I'm reading the details directly off of here, but like I said, if you look in the description box, I'll put all the details as well. This wig is a 7x5, which I love because that means easy. Bye-bye knots lace wig, which I love the bye-bye knots. It is 24 inches long and it is a water wave, which I also love because I am what? Lazy. All I gotta do is put some water on this and I'll be good to go. Also included with the wig are glueless band to attach to the wig, and they've given us tons of those little bye-bye knot strips that I absolutely love. Okay, y'all, let's take this wig out of this netting and look at the cap construction. Okay, so first of all, when they say pre-everything, y'all look, they've laid the baby hairs down for you. They've plucked it, they've bleached it. Anything that you could have wanted done has been already done. And that is why I love Beauty Forever, because this is so easy, so beginner friendly. This curl pattern on this is also extremely beautiful as well. That water wave, easy, because all you gotta do is wet it. You get that 7x5 parting space up there. You get the tabs to attach that glueless band to make the wig lay flush. You get a comb in the back, that silicone strap, and some adjustable straps. This wig is going to be bomb. Before I wet this or anything, I'm going to attach this band and let this wig just straight on my head. And then I'll spray this down with some water and come back with my final thoughts.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, had a faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on
right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and I know y'all are probably thinking, dang, Jess, your makeup changed, your background changed, all of that changed. That is because the first time I filmed this, unfortunately, I did not click the audio button, so I couldn't hear myself talking, okay? But the awesome thing about that, what this has done, it has given me a chance to wear this wig out and about, and y'all, this is a wig wearer's dream wig. Whether you are somebody like me that can't really comb hair, the fact that I can throw this on and really go, if you're somebody that can comb hair, you're going to absolutely love that everything has been done for you. I could not do that on my own. So the fact that Beauty Forever now gives us wigs where that is done already is just wonderful. The other thing you should know is that the other awesome thing about this is, y'all, these edges are with me wearing this wig out and about, and they still lay, because y'all know I like to be 100% transparent with y'all. So this is me after wearing this wig out. This wig still looks absolutely bomb.com. This is one of the best human hair wigs that I've had in a very long time, and y'all know I have a lot of human hair wigs, so I definitely can vouch for this one. I just love the curls, the effortless slay that you get with this wig from Beauty Forever. So I definitely encourage you to click that link, go check it out, because this wig is bomb.com. Talk to me in the comments, tell me what y'all's thoughts are, and also tell me, do you prefer, or would you prefer it if, like I did, wear a wig out and then update you on the thoughts, my final thoughts on the wig? Tell me which one you like better. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.